Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's raining and we're heading out into the bush to do some exploring. I'm really just a tag along today. This is all David's idea, so he gets all the credit. We'll see what the day brings and see if the sun pops out. We each rain geared up, so I'm bringing guys along. So we've reached the fence impasse. We're considering our options. Now I saw a trail, but it goes that way, but we're not sure if it just skirts the fence or there's actually maybe a hole in the fence. And over here, it looks like someone's been jumping the fence. You can tell by the how the fence is pushed over, you know. And then there's no real established trail going this way. So he's got a map. So well, just inside, it looks like somebody's cut the fence and then somebody else repaired it. So I think we're gonna bushwhack. So interesting forest floor. It's like grass, but weeds. So we're walking along this looks like sort of like a trail here, and boom, total score, we each got antlers. Hell yeah, my first find. They don't look all chewed up either. So one for each of us, because I found the one, he pointed out the second one. Score. So we're noticing the fence over here is knocked down, but there's a big ass sign on it that says no trespassing. So, man, I'm really happy about that score. That's sweet. Still stoked about that. Well, here's actually a pretty established trail, or somewhat established trail.
Well, we could walk down here and see what's at the end of it.
We could, yeah.
Kind of get our bearings.
So I'm gonna get the there's a better look at the sign. It's hard to say what knocked it over. I'm gonna say one pissed off squirrel. See all the squirrel bedding right there? Ah, just kidding. Cool. I guess we're gonna go this way and see what's this way. Well, we literally just looped around back to the main trail that we're on now. So I guess we'll get to the next junction and decide from there what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's still raining. It hasn't let up at all. We were just joking about in the parking lot. I bet the drive home be nice and sunny.
And it will be.
Yeah, good times though. We got 1.15 miles in. I love the fact that they put trail markers and distance. So we have a trail that goes down here, and I guess it goes up to a golf course. But we're gonna keep on going this way. It's like we're approaching a railroad tunnel, which is really cool. Still raining, by the way. Hasn't let up at all. Typical. It's alright though. The rain gear is holding up well, so my core is dry, other than the perspiration, but you know, it can't be helped. That is cool. I wish I hadn't have painted it though.
Yeah, it wasn't vandalized to be a lot nicer.
Yeah. Although the face is pretty creative. I give him props for that. The skulls are actually not bad either. Going through here reminds me of Pharaoh's videos. You ever watch him?
Yeah, I've seen that. I'm looking towards the trash pile.
Is there trash down there? Scummy people. Yeah, see, the rest of this is just scribbles. If you're gonna do this, at least be artistic. I mean, I couldn't do any better. I do like stick figures with long necks. Walk along. That's an ankle twister waiting to happen. Cool. Well, behold, Puget Sound. Not the friendliest day weather-wise, but still beats sitting home on the couch. So it looks like the tracks come out of the tunnel and then they curve down here. This is probably where they offloaded whatever they were mining into a boat. Very cool. Looks like someone had themselves a little beach fire at one point. Oh, Mother Nature provided us with a nice, very shady spot here. Nice, low overhanging branches. Right by the beach. I mean, literally you could throw a rock and hit the water. The best part is, no people here. Take a look down the beach, see what's down there. Looks like it just ends, but way up to the train tracks. And looks like it comes to a dead end. That's like a doable way up to their tracks if we wanted to go up there.